All right, Rux, thank you. You'll want to check your tires after this next story. Goodyear is recalling more than 40,000 of its tires tonight.
The problem is the tread can tear apart and cause a crash. Those tires are being blamed for a deadly rollover wreck that killed 2 young Texans.
Investigative reporter Jeremy Rogalski is live with everything you need to know. Jeremy?
Lisa, the recall covers 6 different sizes of a Goodyear Wrangler tire. Specifically now it's the Wrangler Silent Armor tire. Those were made back in 2009 and they were used on vans, SUVs and some pickup trucks, including one driven by a young man named Matthew Smith. He grew up a small town boy in Port Lavaca, and at 21 Matthew Smith moved on, hitting the road with his girlfriend Carrie Beth Hall last August, heading to college. But the couple never made it. The tread on his pickup's right front tire came apart, investigators say, and the truck rolled over.
Hadn't the tire industry learned anything? They know the measures to take to protect the public with those tires. Why don't they?
The tires in question, Goodyear's Wrangler Silent Armor. But turns out the company identified concerns with that brand long before the fatal crash. In this Goodyear letter to federal regulators the I-Team obtained, the company talks of an increased level of property damage claims dating back to May 2010.
It's a huge concern.
Rob Ammons is the Smith family's attorney and is suing Goodyear.
We have literally 15 months of time between when the problem was first identified and when these 2 young people lost their lives.
And Ammons says Goodyear has offered no explanation for why it's limiting the recall to just 6 sizes of Wrangler Silent Armors made between March and June 2009.
And so we don't really know whether or not this is all of the tires that are affected by this defective condition.
As for the Smith family, grief comes with stern words for Goodyear.
Why did it take children dying before you chose to acknowledge the problem?
Now, a Goodyear spokesperson would not comment on the pending lawsuit other than to say the company's thoughts and prayers are with both victims' families. Goodyear does say it will replace the affected tires. So, how can you tell if yours is under the recall? Come on over here. Let me show you something on the sidewall. Down here are a set of numbers. This is called the Department of Transportation serial code, also known as the tire identification number. If you have a Wrangler tire, jot this number down, and after you do so, log on to our website, KHOU.com. We have a complete list of every tire affected under this recall. Reporting live, Jeremy Rogalski, KHOU 11 News.